namaste, and adab. Well, everybody, this is Subhashri, and you're watching me on Glam Shades, where I give you a lot of tips and also review beauty products so that you don't have to hassle around and search for the best product in the market. Well, this time we have something really special. It is the Lakme 9 to 5 Complexion Care Cream in the almond color. Well, सच कहूँ तो being in the industry आपको हमेशा मेकअप लगाना पड़ता है and sometimes बहुत ज़्यादा time taking भी हो जाता है. Also, I've seen a lot of corporate girls out there कि उनके पास काफ़ी time नहीं मिलता and they have to still be presentable. तो उस time में आखिर हम करें क्या? Well, we got you. We have this beautiful cream out there so that आप hassle free रहें और without wasting any time you can apply this and be so much presentable and beautiful at the same time. Let's get started. As we all know, Lakme is one of the most trustworthy brands in India. Been in the beauty industry for over 60 years and crafted for the quintessential Indian women. अब Lakme ऐसे कई सारे products provide कर रहा है जो different skin types और different weather को suitable. So now let's talk about the packaging first. As you can see, the box is really pretty. It is in bright pink color. It is definitely taking all my attention. I think every girl must love this color and love the packaging. It looks really pretty, and for brand ka name and the 9 to 5 range along with the more details about the brand and the color shade is written on the bottom part of it, and the description is also mentioned on the back side of it, so it's really easy for us to identify and select the best one for us. जैसे ही आप open करते हैं, you find the tube in rose gold color. I mean, Lakme, come on, you're literally choosing those colors that every girl loves. जैसे आप देखेंगे, it has the screw-on cap. Easily आप open कर सकते हैं and then apply it just directly on the palm. And when you're applying on your face, you can actually apply it with your fingers. You really don't need a beauty blender or a brush because it's really something that blends very quickly, as you can see. Well, I think everybody has this big doubt. What is that major difference between a BB cream and a CC cream? Now, I'm going to reveal that big secret to all of you out there. BB cream is something जिसका full form है beauty balm, and this is a product that actually works like a primer, foundation and also concealer. But ये जो sun protection provide करते हैं, ये काफी कम level में provide किया जाता है. The BB cream also works as a corrector and it also covers all your blemishes and dark spots. लेकिन इसके स्किन केयर बेनिफिट्स काफी ज्यादा नहीं है in comparison to CC cream. CC cream का फुल फॉर्म है कॉम्प्लेक्शन केयर और ये आपके कॉम्प्लेक्शन को एकदम अच्छे से ब्राइटन अप करता है. सबसे खास बात ये है कि ये ज्यादा कवरेज देता है आपके स्किन को in comparison to BB cream. Clean your face and apply a little layer of moisturizer. Take some of the product in your hand. A little product goes a long way, so be careful while squeezing it out and apply it on your face using the fingertips. Gently blend it into your skin using circular motions. You can either use your finger, a brush or a sponge to do this. Even though the product comes with SPF 30 PA++, I would still advise you to not skip using a sunscreen to maximize the production. If you have an oily skin, top it off with a compact powder when it starts getting shiny after some time. So to all the ladies out there, I think I absolutely loved this product. It is really great a product अगर आप कुछ ऐसा ढूंढ रहे हैं जो आपके स्किन को अच्छा कवरेज भी दे, यानी कि आपके सारे blemishes और dark spots और डार्क सर्कल्स को बिल्कुल ढक दे और आपको हेवी भी फील ना हो. You should definitely try this out. So ladies, this is all that I have for today's video, and I hope that you have actually found the difference between the BB and the CC cream. और आप decide करें और चुनें what works best for you. And stay tuned for more videos.